So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix that one loud scream that you have on your audios on the Premiere Pro project. Now, for example, if there might some spikes that you want to control on the audio track, in order to do it, just simply first of all enable the effects panel right there, and under the effects panel, you simply need to search for hard limiter. Now, once you search for hard limiter, apply it to the audio clip that you want to control the pitch. Now here just simply set the maximum amplitude to -3, like there under the individual parameter, set the maximum amplitude to almost -3 right there. Once you do it, it's just right there, value close to -3, and you'll notice that that hard pitch will controlled by this hard limiter effect. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.